share some of the reasons why your car insurance claims get rejected. Number one, you don't have a valid driving license. If you really don't have a driving license, do not expect your claim to get accepted. It will be rejected because you're not supposed to be driving a vehicle. Second, if you're driving under the influence of alcohol or some drug which makes you actually incapable of driving, and if there is a report which says that you were under the influence of alcohol, you can rule out your insurance claim being accepted by the insurance company. A third is, suppose you've made some change which is structural in nature and to your car, and you haven't informed the insurance companies about it, then they have a right to reject your claim. So like suppose you fitted a CNG or an LPG kit and haven't really updated it into your RC book, informed the RTO and hence informed the insurance company, there is a problem and there is a chance that your claim might get rejected. The other typical reasons are that you haven't mentioned some of the facts very correctly in your insurance policy. You could mention your NCB wrongly, so you could have claimed a higher NCB and hence a lower premium. Now, insurance companies don't check that at the time of selling you the insurance policy, but it is at the time when you make a claim that they go through the details of your existing policy also, and they have access to that through an insurance information tool. At that point, if they realize that you mentioned your NCB incorrectly, they will reject your claim. Apart from these, there are some other reasons which you should be careful about. Some of it are the fact that insurance companies don't cover normal wear and tear in your car. So don't expect that to be reimbursed by the insurance company. It is some damage which is caused due to an accident which is typically covered, or if your car is stolen or some part is stolen. Another reason is that if you are not supposed to be driving the car in a particular situation, like let's say there is a flooding, you know it is flooded, in spite of that you take your vehicle and the engine gets damaged, then I think again the insurance company has every right to ensure that do not pay your claim. As long as you're careful and you're stuck in water, park it and get out of the car when the water level reaches a certain stage. Do not try to take or start your car when there is excessive flooding in your area. Then again, if you are found to be driving the wrong way, suppose you're driving on the wrong side of the road and the insurance company can conclusively prove this, then again they have a right to reject your claim. Some of the other reasons are you accumulate a lot of small damages to your car and hope to actually do it all in one claim. So there's a dent in your right side of your car. It's too small, it's you say it's not worth putting the car in the garage for 3-4 days, so you ignore it. Next, there is a dent on the left hand side, maybe 3 months later. At that point you want to get both repaired. That might be tricky because the insurance company might say that and they have enough ways to figure out that this is an old damage, so they will not accept the claim for the right hand side damage which was done 3 to 4 months back. The left hand side will of course be covered. So these are the broad areas of concern and things you should be careful so that you don't face disappointment at the time of making a car insurance claim. I hope that was helpful. If any of you have any further scenarios which you faced in which your claim gets rejected, please do let us know. We would be happy to add them to this list. Thank you.